paddling across the pool, or slowly sinking to the bottom. Kids were all smiles today as they took part in the 3rd Annual Cardboard Regatta on Hilton Head Island. The teams took turns racing their boats from one end of the pool to the other. The winning team says they use lots of duct tape and extra pieces of cardboard to help stay afloat.
I'm actually not surprised that we won. We had a really good structure and we had like 2 layers of duct tape, which really held out. And on the bottom of our boat, we had 3 layers of cardboard. So there's one on the top where we're sitting, one in the middle, and then one on the very bottom. So I think that helped a lot.
For some teams, just getting into the boat was a struggle.
So we started with putting the heaviest person in the boat first, and they were in the middle. And then we had the 2 people on the sides that were lighter, more the same weight, to like even out the boat a bit more.
Don't care, just keep paddling!
The kids built their boats earlier this week at a science, technology, engineering, arts, and math camp at Hilton Head Island School for the Creative Arts.
We use a lot of duct tape. We had to go to the store and buy more. So we just kept layering it until we thought that it was good enough, because we would also have decoration for duct tape on top that would also help. And we just kind of tried to keep paddling, and we tried to even it out a little bit.
The Cardboard Regatta was held at the Island Rec Center pool. It challenges kids to use their creativity and engineering skills as they construct their boats.
They've done a great job just really thinking out their designs, because we use the engineering design process. They had to sketch it out, they had to make a prototype, which we raced. They built it, they refined it, so they've gone through the engineering process, and they're just doing a great job.
About 25 kids took part in the Cardboard Regatta on Hilton Head Island. Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
We barely